Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you how I clean my beef kidney. I totally love beef kidney. I know many of us love it as well. So I'll be showing you how I clean it before cooking it. So let's get started. So first of all, I always buy my beef kidney from the local slaughterhouse so that I ensure that it's fresh, and once I get home I like to place it on my chopping board and I take time to just inspect my beef kidney. I want to ensure that it's bright red and you don't have any dark spots or dark areas. So I want to just ensure that my beef kidney is still fresh and it has that vibrant red or pink color. It looks nice and fresh, and we know that kidneys come in pairs, but we know beef kidneys are sold separately, but I usually like to buy them in pairs and cook them in pairs. So once I'm happy with how it looks and I'm sure that there are no dark spots or stale spots or any lobos that are getting dark, I'll proceed to the next step. So the next step is just to check for any filaments that are still hanging. Usually the filaments are taken out in the slaughterhouse, but I still have a little bit of filament on this one. You can see what it looks like. It's thin, and these filaments they are just like a thin film, and they usually enclose the beef kidney. Now if you buy your beef kidney still with this filament intact and you're not ready to cook it right away, don't take it out, because this helps to keep the kidney moist in there. If you take it out and you're not cooking your beef kidneys right away, the risk drying off. If you're not cooking your beef kidneys right away, always leave the filaments in place. That is if they come with your filaments in place. So next, I like to divide my beef kidney into 4 parts, and then I'm going to strip off some of this fatty segment in the middle. So I don't like to completely take out the fat. I know some people like to strip it completely off. It totally depends on you. This is actually made of fat and connective tissue. So I like to strip it down a little bit, but not entirely, because this is totally going to add flavor and texture in my dish. So I want to just strip it down, but then I want to leave a little bit in there to just ginger or to just spice up my dish. You can see that it looks really fresh and it's red. So this is how you want your beef kidney to look like even when you cut through. So this is the portion of the excess fat and connective tissue I got out of my beef kidneys. You can see what it looks like. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take a bowl like this one, and next it's time to give this beef kidney a proper bath to just disinfect it and clean it up properly. I'm going to add in some water to my bowl. So next I'm going to add in some lemon, white vinegar, and some salt. Be sure to check out the measurements down in the description box. I'm going to list everything in the description box. So what this lemon salt vinegar bath does is, first of all, it's going to eliminate that slimy feel you have when you buy your beef kidney, and it's also going to help take out that distinctive ammonia smell. We know that the kidney works to filter the blood, so the kidney gives off that ammonia smell. So this bath just helps to weed off that smell that is typical of your beef kidney. It just generally cleanses your beef kidney and kills any impurities, germs and all that. So you want to soak your beef kidney in this bath for at least 30 minutes to just ensure that it cleanses it out It takes off the smell and the slime, and it's just really clean and you're happy with it. So guys, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit on that subscription button. Don't forget to leave your feedback below. What do you think about the video? If you're going to be trying this, please let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to share as well, guys. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and soak this in my lemon, vinegar and salt bath, and I'm just going to let this soak for at least 30 minutes, and I'll just let this work its magic. So after about 40 minutes, this is how it looks like. You can see how the color has changed to kind of whitish. This is just the effect of the lemon and the vinegar on the beef kidney. You can see how it looks, clean to touch, and it's no longer slimy. You can see how nice and clean this is looking already. The slimy feel is totally gone. It's really looking good. So you just want to rinse this off in that bath and transfer it into a clean bowl. So this is what I'm doing. So please don't forget to leave your feedback down in the comment section. How do you wash your beef kidneys? Are you going to be trying this? Let me know how it turns out, okay guys? So once I'm done, this is how my beef kidney looks like. You can see how nice and fresh they look like, really clean. That kidney smell is totally gone. So next I'm just going to get this under running water, and now is the time to just give this a really deep rinse or a deep wash. You want to make sure that you get into all those lobes and all those crevices, and you want to take out any particles, dirt, or whatever is still hanging in there. Just give this a nice rinse under running water. So once I'm done rinsing my beef kidneys under running water, this is what they look like. I'm really happy with it. You can see what it looks like, and now it's ready to be cooked however way you want to cook your beef kidney. I'm going to do a really nice and delicious kidney stew with this right now. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so right now. Until next time, bye guys.